What's up, YouTube? I'm here today with this, what do they call it? Mad wrap. Anyways, it's a turkey wrap from Erewhon. And it is, okay, well, basically it's like $15. It's so worth it though. I mean, it's pretty big. You get like 2 sides to it. That's what's in it. Turkey, avocado. It looks like there's pumpkin seeds. Looks like there's kale, spinach. There might even be cheese in there, hopefully. This is my favorite place ever. Everybody who knows me knows I love Erewhon. I'm there like almost every day. I love Erewhon so much. All right, here we go. Gonna be the best. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. It is wrapped in, oh, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was gonna be, I actually thought it was gonna be like a tortilla type of thing, you know? But this is good. This is healthy. I love Erewhon, dude. This is really freaking good. It's healthy, but it tastes good, you know? It has a crunch to it, and it has avocado. I need to get these little wrap thingies and make this at home. Actually, I should take a picture of this. I'm sure they sell these wrap thingies at Erewhon. They're probably just like, I don't know what it is, cabbage. Just buy some cabbage and then, I don't know what it is, but this is really good. I wasn't expecting this. This is good. Oh, I'm also really freaking high right now. I'm sure you can tell. Sure you can tell. Wow. This is amazing. I'm really enjoying this. I love how quiet my apartments are. It's so nice having a nice apartment that's like quiet, you know? I love it. But I am gonna move away, probably. I don't really like downtown LA. It's been interesting. I like my apartment. The actual apartment is nice, but it's kind of crazy. This is very good. Very good. I like the pumpkin seed. That adds a little fall flavor to it, you know? Oh yeah. I honestly don't even have anything to say. I run out of shit to say. Sometimes if I get so high, like, I have nothing to say. And I'm just like, just quiet, you know? Quiet, just chilling. Maybe I should go live. I never really go live. I was thinking maybe I can go live on YouTube. And then just repost it. This always happens to me when I'm biting into something and I have my red lipstick. Some people were asking like what my lipstick was. I got it from MAC. Pretty much any red lipstick from MAC is good. They're known for their red lipsticks. I like the Rihanna one too. Rihanna Fenty. She has a red one that's good. I just keep thinking about how I want to make this at home now. It seems pretty easy. $15 is not so bad for something like this. I hate this angle. I hate every angle. I don't think there's an angle I like. I need to start loving myself and stop looking at myself like nitpicking every little thing. It's really freaking annoying. I annoy myself. I am pretty annoying. Sorry. I love this angle. I love this angle. This is a great angle. No, I just don't like the angle that goes upwards. I need to lift it up a little bit. Here, look. That's a better angle, see? Hi. Better angle, I'm just saying. I'm just playing. Okay, let me just put this on. I'm getting it all fucked up. I'm getting it all dirty, you know, the phone and everything. Anyways, this is so good. I'm excited about the fall season. I love the fall season. I love October. It's my favorite. Excuse me. I need to stop getting high so much because my eyes are always red. Even when I'm not high, my eyes will be red. Maybe it's like the red lipstick is like blending into the eye and making my eyes look red. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. It's really because I get high. Man. Shout out to anybody who like watches this video all the way through. It's so boring. Some people like watching mukbangs. Just watch the whole thing through. They like the sound of the eating. It relaxes them. It's so weird to me. I have to at least finish this before I turn the video off. It's just half of this. Half of this wrap filled me up. I don't even know if I can eat the other half. They put something in it that's making me full. It's fucking good though. I need to stop saying the F word. It's the hardest thing ever for me to do. This is the last bite. Are my thumbs different color? Oh, it might be. Oh, it might be the red lipstick. It definitely is. My whole napkin's about to be red. Oh yeah. The red lipstick. Red lipstick. Oh, God, get it everywhere. Okay. Thanks for watching me eat that turkey wrap. I know it was boring, but I appreciate you watching, because the more you watch, the more I can get monetized, or the more likely I will get monetized, because I need you to watch the whole freaking video all the way through, because I need more watch hours. I'm not going to get approved to get monetized unless I get more watch hours, and I need more subscribers as well. So I don't know, man. I need to just start telling people in real life to subscribe to me. I'll be like, yo, look at my YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Like, I'll just tell them, because I deal with a lot of people, so I think I could convince them to, like, just people in person that I meet and stuff. I can just tell them, subscribe to my channel right now. Like, right, or actually I'll just pull out their phone for them, and then I'll be like, I'm subscribing. I'll just, like, literally just pull their phone from them and be like, I'll subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do that. Anyways, I'll end this video now. Thank you so much for watching. I can't finish this other half. I'm gonna save this for later.